Would it surprise you if I said that many of you have probably eaten raw eggs without even knowing it? Many common foods, including homemade ice cream, cake batter, and chocolate mousse, contain raw eggs. Drinking raw eggs is sometimes perceived as a healthy, fast way for bodybuilders and athletes to consume protein and recover from intense workouts. Here are some amazing benefits your body receives when you consume raw egg before breakfast on an empty stomach. Number 1. Raw eggs are high in protein. Just one egg yolk contains approximately 6 grams of protein. Protein, as you may know, is one of the primary macronutrients that our bodies and minds need to live and thrive. Every part of your body is made of protein, and it's important not only for structure, but also for the function of chemical reactions in our bodies. Protein is also essential for us to be able to produce new cells and repair existing cells when they're injured. Number 2. Raw eggs contain more carotenoid antioxidants. When eggs are cooked, some of their nutritional density becomes depleted. For this reason, there are many nutrients that are more abundant in raw eggs than cooked ones. One of these nutrient groups is carotenoid antioxidants. Raw eggs contain more lutein and zeaxanthin than their cooked counterparts. Carotenoids like lutein and zeaxanthin are important for combating inflammation throughout the body, since they help to neutralize damaging oxidative processes. These nutrients are also crucial to optimal eye health and preventing age-related macular degeneration. Number 3. Raw eggs contain more choline. Raw eggs contain 23% more choline than cooked eggs. Choline is a nutrient important in cell membrane structure and also vital for proper function of the nervous system. Research has also identified choline as one pathway to a better preservation of memory, so it's crucial to make sure you get enough in your diet. Number 4. Raw eggs contain more zinc. Raw eggs have been found to contain about 19% more zinc than their cooked counterparts. This mineral has many important functions, including boosting the immune system to better prevent and fight illness, as well as supporting the nervous system. A deficiency in zinc has been associated with greater levels of inflammation, which is dangerous to every system in your body. Number 5. You'll eat more omega-3 fatty acids. When it comes to omega-3 fatty acid content, raw eggs come out above cooked eggs, with 33% more overall. Omega-3s are crucial to optimal heart and brain health, and most Americans do not eat enough of them. Raw eggs also contain 33% more docosahexaenoic acid, DHA, than cooked eggs. DHA is a type of omega-3 fatty acid that's vital to brain health, including brain development as well as eye health. How to choose the best eggs to eat raw. There's no label that guarantees that eggs are free of bacteria, though eggs that are certified organic, especially if hen flocks are small, may be safer than others. Your best bet is to find a reputable farm, locally if possible, that has a small flock and produces certified organic eggs. Visit the farm if you can and talk to the owners about practices such as how much space hens have, how long they spend outside, and what their diet consists of. It might take a bit of research, but the eggs will